Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial. And on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete your search history on Microsoft Bing. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your desktop, open up the Microsoft Bing, and once you land on this interface and you're logged into your Microsoft account, from this interface you will see three-line icon from the upper right corner of your screen. Click on there, a dialog box will pop up. From here again click on search history. You will land on search history page. Here scroll down a bit and on your right side again you will see a dialog box that says manage or clear your search history. From there you can simply clear all your search history, but if you want to go with some specific one you can simply select the one that you want to delete by clicking on this checkbox right here and delete the one that you want to delete. But here I will go with clear all, so click on clear all. Now, before you delete all your search history, first of all you have to validate your account. For that, a dialog box will pop up. From there, click on validate. Now to validate your account, you have to sign into your account. Here you can simply go with the code that is provided to your Gmail. So click on send code, or else you can also go with the other ways. Here I will go with the code. Click on send code. Now head back to Gmail on your device and there search for the Gmail and then type in the correct code here. Here you will get your code. So copy the code, go back to Microsoft Bing. In here enter the correct code. Once you're done with that, click on sign in. Once you sign into your account, then again repeat the same step. Scroll a bit, click on clear all and then again click on clear all. And with that your search history will get cleared all. So this is how you can delete your search history on Microsoft Bing. I hope this tutorial will help you. And do not forget to subscribe our channel, like the video and hit the notification bell icon. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial.